Hi children, welcome to next online class. In last class we have learned both Indian and international system of numeration. In Indian system of numeration, how do we insert commas? According to the period, we insert comma. Here, which is the rightmost period? Ones period is the rightmost period. Here, which are the places in it? Ones, tens and hundred places are there in ones period. Then followed by next period, that is thousands period. Clear? In thousands period, which are the places? Thousand place and 10,000 place. Then followed by lakhs period. In lakhs period, lakhs place and 10 lakhs place. Then followed crores period. In crores period, crores and 10 crores places respectively. Clear? Then the same number we can represent in international place value. How do we represent it in international place value? The number is, we can write here. In international place value, we insert commas after each three places. Means in each period consists of three places. Here in the rightmost period is ones period. Ones period consists of ones place, tens place and hundreds place. We can place a comma here. In thousands period, here thousands, 10,000 and 100,000 places. Next period is millions period. In millions period, here millions, 10 millions and 100 millions. Clear? Listen children, here we have some questions. Write the numerals. 17,85,303. 17 lakh. Lakh is the period which consists of Indian place value chart. So, the number is 17 lakh. Lakh is a period. We should insert a comma here. Then next period is thousands period. So, 85,000. Next is ones period. Here, 303. Clear? Next is 5 lakh, 5,507. 5 lakh. Lakhs place 5. After this, place a comma here. Then 5,000. There is no 10,000 place. So we should put 1 0 here. Then 5. Next comma. Then 507. 507. Clear? Next is 90 lakh. 90 lakh. 31,058. There is no hundreds place digit. Here 58. Understood? Next is 3,71,701. 3 lakh. 3,71,701. 701. Next is 5,342,059. Here 5 million. Million is the period included in international place value chart. So the number is 5 million. Then next is 342,000. 342,000. Next is 59. 059. In international place value, after 3 places, we place 1 comma. Clear? Children, let us move to next topic, that is face value and place value. This is a simple topic. What is face value? Face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Clear? Here in this number 72 lakhs 13,058, the face value of 8 is 8. Clear? The face value of 5 is 5. And the face value of 0, 0 only. Face value of 3, 3 only. Face value of 1, 1. Face value of 2, 2 only. And face value of 7, 7 only. Clear? The face value of a digit in a number is the digit itself. Next, place value of a digit. What is place value of a digit? The place value of a digit in a number depends upon its position in the place value chart. Here, what is the place value of 8? 8 is in which place? 8 is in 1's place. So, the place value of 8 equals 8 ones, which is equals 8 into 1. 1 into 8, 8. Next, the place value of 5. What is the place value of 5 here? 10. Tens. So, 5 tens. 5 tens means 5 into 10, which is equals 50. 50 is the place value of 5 here. Then next is 0. Place value of 0. Actually it is in hundreds place, but 0 into 100 equals 0. The next place is 1000. Thousands place. Here 3 into 1000 equals 3000. 3000. Next is 1. 1 is in which place? 10,000's place. 1 into 10,000 equals 10,000. Then next place is lakh. 2 into 1 lakh equals 2 lakh. Lakhs. The next is 10 lakhs. 7 10 lakhs. That means 7 into 10 lakhs equals 70 lakhs. Clear? Next is, here this number 72 lakhs 13,058. 72 lakhs 13,058 is equal to 70 lakhs. Here 7 is in 10 lakhs place. So this is 70 lakhs. 70 lakhs plus 2 lakhs plus 1000 plus 10,000 plus 3,000 plus 0, actually no need to write there, then 50 plus 8. Here this form of a number is called short form of a number, and when we write the sum of the place value of a digit like this form is called expanded form of a number. Clear? Write next question in your notebook. Write the short form. Here this number starts from 90 lakhs. 90 lakhs, 80,000, 2,000 plus 700 plus 6. So the short form of this number is 90 lakhs. There is no number in lakhs place. So in 10 lakhs place 9 and lakhs place 0. So 90 lakhs, 80,000, 10,000 place 80,000 and 2,000. Together 82,706. There is no number in tens place here, 0, 6. So the short form of this expanded form is 90 lakhs 82,706. Next example, write this number in expanded form. Clear? First we write short form, and now let us write the expanded form of this number. Placing the commas, we can write as ones period, thousands period. The expanded form of this number is, here start from 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 4,367. So here 10 lakhs place 1. So we can write here first 10 lakhs. Plus next is 5 lakhs. 5 plus, there is no number in 10,000's place, so next place is 4,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 7 is the expanded form. Next example 3. Write the face value and the place value of the smallest digit in the number 92 lakhs 43,678. Here 2 is the smallest digit in the given number. 2 is the smallest digit in the given number. The face value of 2 is 2 itself. So face value is of 2 equals 2, and the place value, place 2 is in lakhs place, so the place value equals 2 into 1 lakh. Into 1 lakh, which is equals 2 lakh. Next is exercise 1.3. We will discuss some questions here. All at home questions you have to solve yourself. Okay. Here first question. Insert commas using the Indian system of numeration and write the place value of the highest digits in each of these. Clear? Here first we have to place the commas. In ones period, ones, tens, 100 places are there. After 3 places we have to place 1 comma, next 2 places. So the digit number name is 3,48,109. Which is the highest digit here? 9 is the highest digit. In which place? Ones place. So 9 into 1 is equal to 9. The place value of 9 is 9. Clear? Next B. Here we can insert commas like this. First 3 places, next 2 places, like this. Understood? Here the number name is 42,81,172. Here which is the highest digit? Here 8 is the highest digit. What is its place value? Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 10,000 is the place value of 8. So 8 into 10,000, which is equals 80,000. Clear? Next is we can insert comma first 3 places, next 2 places, like that. So the number name of this number is 60,35,420. Here which is the highest digit? Here 6 is the highest digit. In which place? It is in 10 lakhs place. 10 lakhs place. So the place value of 6 is 6 into 10 lakhs, which is equals 60 lakh. Question number 2. Write in standard form. What is standard form? Another name of short form is standard form. Clear? Another name of short form is standard form. Here the expanded form is given. We have to write the short form or standard form. First one, 7 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 500 plus 60 plus 3. Here starts from 7 lakhs. So we can start here 7 lakhs. Insert comma here. Then next place is thousands place. In thousands place, thousands period, 10,000s and thousands. But here there is no thousands place. So we can write here 30,000. In 10,000s place 3 and thousands place 0. Comma. Next is ones period. Here 563. So the number is, short form of the given expanded form is 7,30,563. Next is here 50 lakhs. 50 lakhs, 50,000, 3,070 plus 9. Here in 50 lakhs, here 50 lakhs, start from 50 lakhs. There is no lakhs place, here only 10 lakhs place. So 50 lakhs, then place one comma. Next is 50,000 plus 3,000, 53,000. There is no hundreds place, so 0, 79. Clear? Next is 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs, 90,000, 7,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 5. So 8 lakhs, start from 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs, 97,245. Clear? Write in the expanded form. Here short form is given or standard form is given. We have to write its expanded form. Here 4,25,369. First starts from 4 lakhs. So first 4 lakhs plus 20,000 plus 5,000 plus 300 plus 60 plus 9 is the expanded form. Let us move to B. Here starts from lakhs, 3 lakhs, 18,450. The expanded form of this number is 3 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 400 plus 10 plus 5. Next is 80 lakhs 20,530. Here 8 is in 10 lakhs place. So start from 80 lakhs. 80 lakhs plus, there is no number in lakhs place, so 0. Next 20,000. 20,000 plus, there is no number in thousands place. Then next is 500 plus 10 plus 3. All of you understand?